Congratulations on the purchase of your Wertheim vacuum with power brush. Now you're ready to experience a deep clean in your home with Wertheim Deep Clean engineering technology. Let's go through assembling your new Wertheim. Please make sure the cleaner is turned off and disconnected from the mains power before commencing assembly. Select power handle and hose attachment. Connect hose to the hose inlet of the X5000. Connect power handle to the telescopic wand. This wand can be extended or retracted by gripping and pushing the button. Insert the telescopic wand into the power brush. To release the wand, push down on the release pedal with foot. Your Wertheim comes with these attachments for different surfaces: mini turbo brush, standard floor tool, small brush, and a crevice tool. These attachments can also be connected directly to the power handle for ease of use. Powering your X5000. Pull the power cord out from the rear of the vacuum and plug into a power socket. Caution: never extend the power cord further than the yellow mark. Press the on-off button to switch the appliance on. To turn on the power brush, first make sure the vacuum is on. Then press the on-off button on the power brush. You can also use the on-off button on the power handle. The power brush has 6 different carpet settings for you to choose from. To adjust the height setting, press down on the lever at the rear of the power brush with your foot until you reach the desired setting. The standard floor tool has 2 floor settings, one for hard floors and the other for carpeted surfaces. To adjust the setting, press down on the floor tool lever. When you are finished using the appliance, unplug from the power socket and press the power cord retract button. An indicator light will illuminate when the dust tank is full. Before emptying your cleaner, make sure it is switched off and unplug the appliance. Press the tank release button and disconnect the dust tank from the base. Hold over a bin and press the tank cover release button to empty contents. To clean your filters, press the tank release button and disconnect the dust tank from the base. Twist the dust tank cap in an anti-clockwise direction and separate. Wipe the dust tank and filter with a cloth or simply rinse with warm water. Do not immerse the tank in water. Ensure dust tank is completely dry before refitting. Before replacing filters, switch the cleaner off and unplug the appliance. To replace the HEPA filter, press down on HEPA filter cover tab and remove. Slide HEPA filter out and replace. To replace the exhaust filter, press the tank release button and disconnect the dust tank from the base. Lift and replace filter. If the power brush bar is obstructed, it may automatically shut off. If this happens, you will need to clear any obstructing objects and reset the power brush. First, switch the cleaner off and unplug the appliance. Then clear and remove all obstructions caught within the power brush. Press the red button on rear of power brush to reset. Return plug into power socket and switch both the appliance and power brush on to resume cleaning. In the event that you have any questions about your Wertheim vacuum, we are always happy to help. You can contact our customer service team either by phone, web or email. To ensure we can assist you better, please have your serial number and details of when and where you purchased your Wertheim vacuum. We hope you enjoy using your new Wertheim vacuum and a healthier, cleaner home.